This is K.Naga Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya University. Today we are going to discuss how to draw the projections of lines in engineering graphics. These are the learning outcomes. Draw the projections of the lines in different positions by using AutoCAD software and solve the simple problems related to the projections of lines. So what is the meaning of projections of lines? The projections of lines or straight lines is the method of representing the position of a line in a space with respect to principal planes. What is the principal planes? That means horizontal plane, vertical plane VP, horizontal plane HP or profile plane PP by drawing its front view and top view in different positions. That is nothing but projections of lines. This is the simple problem. Draw the projections of a straight line in the below mentioned positions. And a 75 mm long line parallel to both HP and VP, 25 mm from each. That is the first condition. And second condition is 75 mm long line parallel to 30 mm above HP and in the VP. This is the second condition. Third condition is 75 mm long line parallel to 40 mm in front of VP and in the HP. So this is the third condition. All the conditions are belongs to first quadrant only. Let us assume all these positions are indicated in the first quadrant. So first of all, I display the 3D representation of the first quadrant. This is horizontal plane and this is vertical plane. In that they give 75 mm long line parallel to both HP and VP 25 mm apart. So this is the line 75 mm long line. Let us assume this is AB. So the distance from the VP is 25 and the distance from the HP is also 25. Yes, this is parallel to both HP and VP. When we see the front view, the line is projected here. So this is A dash, B dash from reference line 25. Yes, when we see the top view, the line is projected here, 75 mm long line. So the distance from the reference line is 25. So the true shape is visible in the front view and top view of the line. Yes, because it is parallel to both HP and VP. How it is appear? This is appear like this. This is the line above the reference line. Front view is there. A dash, B dash, 75. The distance is 25 from the reference line. And here the top view is indicating on the horizontal plane. When it is rotating clockwise direction, the HP is coming here. The projection line is also coming here. Yes, the top view is below the, so this is 25 and this is 75. So this is top view A, B. In front view, it is indicating A dash, B dash, C dash like this. Top view, it is indicating A, B, C, D like this. This is the first position. The second line, the 75 mm long line parallel to 30 mm above HP. So this is the 3D representation of the object. Okay, 75 mm long line parallel to both HP and VP. Okay, and 30 mm above HP and in the VP. So that means the line is directly placing on the VP. So this is A, B. Yes, the distance above the HP is 30 mm. Yes, when we see the front view, the true shape is visible in front view. So this is A dash, B dash. The distance is 30. Okay. So this is X and Y reference line. Take the projection line with 30 mm. This is the true shape of the line 75. This is the front view A dash, B dash. So this is 30 mm. And when we see the top view, the line is projected on the direct reference line. This is the top view A, B. So this is the top view A, B. This is also 75. If the line is in parallel to both HP and VP means in every view, front view or top view, the true shape is visible. This is the second condition. In third condition, a 75 mm long line parallel to 40 mm in front of VP. That means this is the 3D representation of the plane HP, VP Here the line is directly placing on the HP. Yes, this is AB line. So in front of VP the distance is 40 mm. When we see the front view, the line is projecting on the direct reference line. This is A dash, B dash. How it is appear? This is XY. This is the front view A dash, B dash 75. The true shape is visible in front view and top view because this line is parallel to both HP and VP. When we see the top view, the line is directly projecting on the HP. So when it is rotating clockwise direction, the projection is also coming below the XY line. 40 mm projection, rather top view like this. This is top view A, B. So this is the 1, 2, 3. How these projections are drawn in the AutoCAD. Okay, we will discuss it. This is the AutoCAD interface. First screen setting, units, enter. We need to do some screen settings before starting of any drawing. Precision 0.0. Units is there in millimeters or not, just identify. Click OK. Limits, 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 enter. 0, 0, enter. 420, 297, enter. Z for zoom, enter. A for all, enter. Next, go to the dimension style manager, D, enter. Modify, symbols and arrow size is 4 and text height is also 4 and click OK, close. This is the third screen setting. First take the reference line, take the multi-text empty, enter, and take the one line or one letter. The size of the letter is 5. Go to the empty, enter, take the reference letter and select the letter 5 and copy this letter, switch off the ortho mode F8 and this is Y. Draw the line. First condition, take the line command, draw the 25 mm line and draw the 75 mm and click OK and again 25 and 75. Okay, and copy the letter, take the CO, enter, copy the letter. So this is A dash, B dash and this is AB top view. So this is A dash, B dash and this is AB and we need to highlight the work output. So here the output is these two lines. Go to the PE, enter, select the line and press enter. Go to the width 1. Again here also press enter button 2 times. Same command is continue. Go to the width 1. And if you want to draw these 3 conditions in common reference line also correct, or if you need to mention separate reference lines also not a problem. Okay, so both are not a problem. Here they are not mentioned, so all these conditions are drawn on the single common reference line. So that type they are not mentioned. So you can draw separately or mention common baseline. Yes, so I will mention the common baseline here and move this letter from here to here. Yes, and after that give the dimension. This is 25. I'll mention all these 3 parameters or 3 conditions on the common baseline. Next condition, the 75 mm long line parallel to 30 mm above HP and in the VP. Take the line command. So this is 30 and this is 75 and close, and draw the top view also. Yes, need to highlight your work output, go to the PE, enter, select this line and press enter, go to the width 1. Again press enter button 2 times, the same command is continue, go to the width 1, enter. After that take the copy command, copy these 2 letters and move here. Yes, and here this is A dash B dash front view and this is AB. A dash B dash and AB front view and top view. Next, give the dimension 30 and give the dimension of the line also 75. Yes, and third condition is 75 mm long line parallel to 40 mm in front of VP. Take the line command and draw the third condition on the same reference line. So this is 75 and this is 40 and 75 and close it. And these 2 lines are our final work output. So final objects, give some thickness of that objects PE, that is poly edit PE, enter, select the line, press enter, width 1 and double enter, same command is continue, click on that line and again go to the width 1. After completion of that take the copy command CO, enter, select these 2 letters, copy these letters from here to here, and this is AB top view. Okay, and give the dimension, go to the annotation and take the linear. You can highlight or you can draw these 3 conditions on the same common baseline, or you can take the different reference lines, XY lines, and you will mention each and every condition on the different reference lines or same common baseline. Both conditions are correct. It is your wish. Okay. So this is the object and mention the, this is first condition, second condition and third condition. So give some bracket, condition 3, answer, like this you will mention condition 2 and this is belongs to 1. So this is the object, how to draw the these projections of lines in AutoCAD. Yes, this is the way to representing these lines in the AutoCAD. So today we discussed draw the projections of lines in different positions by using AutoCAD software, and second one simple problem on the projections of lines. Thank you everyone.